Hey, welcome back to my channel, Unique World, and if you are new, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Unique World, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing part 2 of my bathroom makeover. As you can see, this floor is so outdated, but I'm going to go ahead and revamp that. But if you have not seen the previous video of part 1 where I did my countertops, go check that out after this tutorial video. For my floors, I'm going to be using the Traffic Master wooden floors in the color of taupe, where you can actually get this from either Lowe's or Home Depot, and it comes in 24 planks. And this is me struggling trying to get the wooden planks out of the box, but you know, finally got it done. And before you begin, just make sure that you thoroughly clean your floor, whatever floor you're putting the planks on. Just make sure that you fully clean your floors. So I'm trying to lay out the wooden planks on the floor, and I decided to just flip them over so that I can see the arrows in which directions I want it to go, because I want to make sure that the pattern is correct when I lay the floors down. So it's very helpful to follow the arrows on the back of the planks. Okay, so here is what I've laid out so far. I decided to stop laying them out because my bathroom have a lot of corners and edges that I need to measure out. So I decided to go ahead and measure that out. I'm using this blue measuring block that I will also leave in the description down below in case you want to just do that and use that measuring block. But you can always do what I'm doing right now, where I am measuring out all the edges with this edge ruler and a regular piece of paper. So when I first started out measuring everything, it did take me some time because I was trying to figure out how to measure everything to a T. But the more you got the hang of measuring everything, it became a whole lot quicker and simpler to do. So overall, with this project of doing my floor, I would say maybe the measuring part will be the hardest part of doing this project. Other than that, it's very simple to do. So after you've measured everything and you cut your paper out, you want to go ahead and trace the where the paper is, where it meets the wood, and you're just going to simply just cut that part out. And that's what it should look like after you cut it. And then you're just going to peel the back of the plank. And then you're just going to place it where it's supposed to go and press down firmly. Okay, y'all, so I don't even know what I was listening to, but all I know, I was doing my happy dance because I got the first row laid out and stuck down. So I was happy about that. Anyways, let's get back to it. So now I'm just going to peel and stick down all the planks that I can that I don't have to measure, and then they'll help the process go a lot quicker. So I just got through measuring this part out, and I actually used like the back of the sticker paper from the plank, and I kind of sketched it out, and I came up with this. So I'm just trying to just make sure that, you know, everything is lined up where I can just trace it and lay it out on the floor. Okay, so now that I got it traced out, now I'm just going to cut it and then I'm going to place it on the floor. So this is what I have laid out and stuck on the floor so far, and the parts that aren't laid out right now is the parts that I have to measure each piece one by one. So that's the most difficult part, and I'm going to start with this piece right here. And right now I just measured it and shaping it with or tracing it with my pencil. Then I'm just going to use the box cutter and cut what is needed to be cut. Now that I've measured the piece and I cut everything, I'm just removing the backing, and now it is time to go ahead and place the plank down where I want it to fit. Okay, so I'm just placing it right where I want it to go, and it fits perfectly. Now, this is the most exciting part, because when you can measure and it fits in the right place, then it's a win-win. Okay, you guys, so off camera, I have finally completed my bathroom floor. It is so nice compared to what it was, and I am so proud of myself because, I mean, look at the measurements, y'all. Excuse my broom in the place, but look at the measurement. I mean, everything is measured really nice, and the floor is really nice and updated. So the simple things that you do around your house to update can really bring value to your home. And now I'm looking like, okay, what else can I do around here that, you know, I can update or revamp? Because originally when I bought my home, that was my whole plan, but I never really had time to, you know, do it. But now that I had time, this was just a great opportunity to go ahead and do my floors. So that is it, you guys. If you like what you see, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, peace.